Today we are going to be working on a portable electric spa pump motor replacement. If you have a basic understanding of 110 volt electric wiring, by the end of this video, you'll be able to perform this job with ease. Please disconnect your power, whether it be a plug in the wall or a breaker in your breaker box. Electricity is dangerous and can cause personal injury or death, as well as other property loss or damage if not used or constructed properly. If you have any doubts whatsoever about performing do-it-yourself electrical work, please do the smart thing and hire a qualified specialist to perform the work for you. Tools that I used was a Phillips screwdriver, a small flat blade screwdriver, Channellock pliers, 1/4 inch ratchet, 1/4 inch, 6 inch long and 10 inch long extension, 7/16 and 9 millimeter 1/4 inch sockets. Connect a garden hose and drain your hot tub. Now that we have drained the hot tub, let's pull out the 4 screws that hold our access cover. We're just going to break these loose real quick while the lag bolts are still holding the pump in place. Time to remove the 3 lag bolts that hold the pump in place. So this back one is a little challenging. You're going to have to feel around back there and get your socket in place on it and just do it by hand. The front ones, as you can see, pretty easy because they're very accessible. This is pretty straightforward. Let's pull the 6 screws that hold the electrical box cover on and set it aside. Please take your own pictures. Yours may be different than mine. Remove your black wire, then your white wire, and then remove the nut that is securing the green wire. Let's remove the 3 screws that hold the power cable in place. Let's remove our power cord and the waterproof seal that goes around it. Now we can remove our inlet and outlet water flanges and our ground wire. Grab your flat blade screwdriver. Let's remove the copper ground wire. Slide your pump back and gently remove it from your hot tub. They finally rebuilt it and we got it back. If you have purchased a new pump and for some reason the wiring is different, please stop. If you have any questions about the wiring going into the electrical box, please find somebody to help you. So here we're just gonna reverse the process and put it right back in. Let's reinstall our water pump flanges and our copper ground wire. Align and start your water pump flanges. Do not tighten these down yet. We'll wait till our lag bolts are tight. That way everything's secure and in place and nothing flexes. Reattach our copper ground wire. Just like any other wire, this is very important. Next, we're going to install our power cord. Let's slide our waterproof insulator over our power cord and then reinstall it back into the groove of the control box. Let's reinstall the mounting bracket and 3 screws. First we'll install our hold down bracket and then we'll get the screws started. Let's reinstall our wires. Please be very confident about this step as stressed previously. We'll reinstall our green ground wire and the 9mm nut. Install your black wire and your white wire. Reinstall your cover and tighten your 6 mounting screws. Time to install the 3 lag bolts. Let's get our 7/16 socket and 1/4" ratchet and extension. We'll start the lag bolts, but don't tighten them all the way down until they're all in place. Be patient with the back one, it's harder to get to. Now we'll go ahead and tighten down our water pump flanges and get them good and snug. We'll recheck these after we fill the tub for leaks. Let's throw our cover back on and the 4 retaining screws. Refill your hot tub, plug it in, and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe if this video helped.